Is printable skin coming in my lifetime? Can I get a prescription for nutrient dense food? And what are the ethical guardrails of AI in healthcare? For many of us, the future of healthcare can feel daunting and uncertain. But what if we approach that complexity differently, with the kind of questions that spark discovery? This season on Tomorrow's Cure, we sit down with the people who are actively shaping the future of healthcare, illuminating the innovations driving a brighter tomorrow and the breakthroughs pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
There is so much happening in the background that may not be visible to our patients. Things like automation and AI enhancing images and enhancing our ability to read images for picking up things that human eyes can't see.
But now we think if that disease actually starts 5 to 10 years before that, getting the data from that earlier time period to help inform us, that's going to be the next step.
When you have innovation coming at you and you're seeing how even a relatively short period of time, it's actually changing the face of medicine.
We'll discuss the ideas quietly changing how we understand our own personal health and the ways medicine is becoming smarter, more human, and more connected. The future of medicine isn't something to brace for, it's something to lean into and explore. Tomorrow's Cure, a podcast from Mayo Clinic, brings the future of medicine to the present. Season 4 premieres Wednesday, January 21st, with new episodes released on Wednesdays.